Hi you guys, I'm back. Hi, welcome back to the monstrosity that is me. So I thought today I would sit down and do a look that is inspired, almost duplicated, almost replicated of Miss Crystal Elizabeth Methyd, who is my absolute favorite of season 12. I love her so much. She's so funny and so charming, and I love the way that she paints, even though it is very like out there. I don't mind that at all. I love it. So I thought that today I would sit down and recreate, I guess, what she calls her signature look, which is like the really like high crease and dramatic liner and the blue with maybe some glitter. I have glitter, but like I don't know if I really want to commit that hard into it, but we will see. So I'm gonna go ahead and hop off camera and cover up the nubs that I call my brows. I recently decided I was just gonna go balls deep and just shave half of them off, just for time and the easiness of it. So yeah, so I'm gonna get to that and I'll be right back. Alright, so first things first, we're going with foundation. I'm just gonna use some Krylon TV paint sticks. She paints really dark and then just like adds a lot of bright highlights. I've got one that's a couple shades deeper. Done. And to highlight, I'm going to use TV White, just the Krylon TV White. Alright, so from here she goes on and she maps out her brows, which are very high and very angled. So I'm going to try to do as close to that as I can. And I'm going to just use Clown White because it's great and it's full coverage and I like it. She mad thick, yo. I tell you what. Okay, now that we have this, we're gonna go in and contour. Now, Miss Crystal Elizabeth Methyd uses mostly creams for the entire face, so I'm also gonna cream contour. I'm gonna go in with the Anastasia Cream Contour Palette, and I'm gonna go in with this deep shade right here. Alright, so now we're going to go in on the eyes. Everything is still wet, so I feel very peanut buttery almost. Smooth peanut butter, creamy peanut butter. But since everything is still wet, I'm going to keep on with the cream trend, and I'm going to use the Mayron Cream Blend Stick. It's a blue shade. I'm pretty sure this is what she uses in this tutorial that I'm looking at. So hopefully this turns out great. I'm gonna try to stick with the exact same shape down to a T. We shall see how that turns out, but let's just get in here and paint this shit on. Alright, so next the precious little angel that is Crystal Elizabeth Methyd goes in with eyeliner. Well, actually it's just black cream paint, I think. But she uses it to map out her eyeliner, so I'm going to use my favorite gel eyeliner, which is, it's very ugly and dirty, don't judge me. It is the Maybelline Eye Studio in Blackest Black. I love it so much. And I'm just gonna go in and basically just like draw out the liner. Alright, so next she goes into brows. I'm going to use the same gel liner that I used for my eyeliner to draw the brows. She does these little flicks and then draws the brows, so I'm going to do that. Alright, once we have brows on, we're gonna go and do lips. I'm pretty much following the tutorial. And next step she takes is lips. And I'm going to go over it and fill in with the Liquid Catsuit by Wet n Wild in the shade Missy and Fierce. I feel gorgeous. Alright, next we're going to do some blush. She does a cream blush, so I'm doing a cream blush as well. I don't have cream blush, so I'm using lipstick. Finally, we're moving on to powder. So she just powders over every single thing, so I'm going to do that. Okay, now we're dusting away the powder. Alright, now we're going in with powder. We're going to powder contour. I'm going to use the Anastasia matte bronzer in the shade Mahogany. Alright, now we're going to go in and we're going to start on the eyeshadow, the powder eyeshadow. She's using the Kimchi palette and the Anastasia Alyssa palette. I don't have those, so I'm going to use the Blue Blood palette. I think it'll pretty much have everything covered. And basically just go in and start adding the color. Ooh. Alright, next we're going to carve out the black again with a liquid eyeliner. This is just the Mood Struck liquid eyeliner from Unique. I'm just going to go ahead and chisel that in. And then I'm gonna take this tiny itty bitty little brush and a black shadow and just smudge that out. Alright, next we're gonna go in and carve out the crease, or cut the crease. And I'm gonna use Clown White by Ben Nye, the thick white cream. And then I'm gonna go over that with some Jeffree Star Drug Lord. Alright, now we're going to redefine the black line on the bottom. Okay, now we're gonna go over the lips again one more time. Alright, now we're going on top of that lip with glitter. I'm using a NYX red glitter, just a plain red glitter. Okay, now she's putting a little bit of blush on. Blush is fun, we like blush. Alright, now I'm gonna hop off camera and add lashes and I'll be right back. Alright, lashes are on. I don't have like any 301s or anything like that. So like, I've got like 2 pairs glued in my crease and then 1 chopped up on the bottom. It's okay, this is fine. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the blue glitter on. I'm gonna go in with even more glitter. I'm gonna use this shade TikTok in the Kesha Rose Beauty Palette. Yes, glitter. Let's do, you know what? Let's just throw a little bit here. We didn't color correct, but girl, we glitter corrected. Put that up there. Oh my God. Okay, now she's doing freckles. So I'm gonna put on a couple freckles. Okay, and that is the look. Now obviously this is clearly just the makeup. I don't really own much drag anymore, so like I can't really go and do the full shebang for you guys. So no wig, no costume, none of that. But I also just noticed that the white of this eye is a lot thinner than this one. But it's okay. But yeah, I hope you guys like this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what you guys think. Who are you rooting for season 12? Team Crystal. I am a meth head for Crystal Methyd. Alrighty, don't forget, share this in your Facebook, your Twitter, your Instagram, put it in your Discord servers, and stick this video in your Grindr bios. Let the boys know to come subscribe to me. Also, Crystal, if you're watching this, oh my god, I love you so much. I love everything that you've done. You have been the most consistent as far as creativity and individuality, and I'm obsessed with you, and I love you so much, and you're literally a ray of sunshine in such a dark time, and I appreciate it so much.